Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vinod and you are watching my YouTube channel. Name is Vinod Singh Thakur. Friends, in this video today we are going to talk about business analyst position. We will talk what is business analyst and what are the roles and responsibilities of business analyst. So friends, without wasting any time, let's start. What is business analyst, or who is the business analyst? If we talk about business analyst is the person who understands client's requirement properly and who document client requirement in form of flowchart or other softwares or Microsoft Office suite. And business analyst is the person who is the coordinating between client and development team is the business analyst. If we talk about roles and responsibility of business analyst reporting to project manager. Business analyst understand client requirement or also do requirement analysis and anticipating requirements. Business analyst documenting process and communicating results. Business analyst perform user acceptance testing. Business analyst evaluating business process. Business analyst developing and implementing solutions for problem. Business analyst leading ongoing reviews of business process and developing optimization strategies. Business analyst is staying up to date on the latest process and IT advancements to automate and modernize systems. Business analyst conduct meetings and presentation to share ideas and findings. Business analyst gathering critical information from meetings with various stakeholders and producing useful reports. Business analyst effectively communicating your insights and plans to cross-functional team members and management. Business analyst work closely with clients, technicians, and management staff. Business analyst providing leadership, training, coaching, guidance to junior staff. Business analyst ensuring solutions meet business needs and requirements. Business analyst managing projects, developing project plans, and monitoring performance. Business analyst updating, implementing, and maintaining procedures. Business analyst serving as a liaison between stakeholders and users. Business analyst also monitoring deliverables and ensuring timely completion of projects. I hope friends you enjoyed or liked this video. If you think this video is helpful for you or this will also assist you for getting job or understanding business analyst job, please subscribe my channel and also like and also comment. Thanks for watching.